So as Canadians head to the polls, it's hard to shake the feeling like we're picking from the least burnt piece of toast. Tired, skeptical, half hoping for a miracle. It's like we're lining up for another long, cold day. Change is just plastered in the air. On every billboard, deep down we just know it's like yesterday's leftovers. Reheated, repackaged, and served lukewarm. So, I'm doing something a bit more honest. While the country decides what pig they want to choose to feed from the trough, I'm actually cooking a pig. This is Chinese Char Siu, 5-spice. Little bit of Asian fusion going on here, something to represent our country. Slow smoked over charcoal. Spritz it every few hours with Shaoxing wine, rice vinegar, and little soy sauce. Real effort, real flavor, and no empty promises. By the time this beauty hits temp, it'll fall apart like a dream. As to the election results, we'll figure it out.